Cleanse your pancreas, liver and kidneys with this one ingredient. In order to be able to function properly, our body needs a cleanse from time to time. If you want a natural and affordable therapy to cleanse your kidneys, liver, pancreas, and other internal organs, this is it. The main ingredient of this remedy is coriander. You probably have used this herb in cooking and you are not familiar with the fact that coriander possesses potent healing properties and it is packed with powerful compounds that can treat different health problems. Health benefits of this remedy: regulates blood sugar, prevents eye problems, cures kidney issues, regulates cholesterol, boosts the function of the liver, eliminates fat, treats infections and bacteria, helps with pink eye symptoms. This completely natural remedy will effectively clean your pancreas and dissolve kidney stones. The method of preparation is very easy and simple. Just mix sliced coriander and parsley and add water in order to cover up the sliced leaves. Boil the mixture for 10 minutes. Remove the chlorophyll and let it cool down. Pour the liquid in a bottle and place it in the fridge. It is recommended to drink 1 glass on a daily basis. Within a short period of time, you will experience significant improvements. Your pee will start to change and you will get rid of the accumulated toxins. In this way, you will be able to cleanse your system.
Yeah.